You ever wonder what the secret is behind those businesses that just seem to run smoothly? Well, a lot of the time, it's something we totally overlook: the building itself. Today, we're going to dig into the idea of comprehensive facility management, what it is, why it's such a game changer, and how it can turn a simple workspace into a major asset. All right, let's jump right in. Just take a second and think about your own workspace. Is it helping you get things done, or is it, kind of getting in the way? We tend to think of our office as just a backdrop, but really it's an active player in how we work every single day. A well-run building can be this silent engine pushing your productivity forward, while a poorly managed one, well, it can feel like it's slowly bleeding you dry with constant, frustrating headaches. So let's start with the problem, right? For anyone managing a business, just keeping the lights on and the place clean can feel like you're constantly fighting off these little disruptive issues. And these are the hidden costs, the ones that don't always show up on a spreadsheet but absolutely hammer your bottom line. And here's the thing, these problems, they pile up. It's like death by a thousand cuts. A flickering light over there, a dirty floor over here, a plumbing issue that pulls your team away from their actual jobs, and for every single one, you're on the phone, trying to find and manage a different vendor. It's this huge invisible drain on your most important resource, your focus. So how do you deal with all that fragmentation? Well, to fight that constant chaos, a new model has really become the gold standard for smart businesses, bringing all of those needs together under one single integrated partner. And this is really the core idea we're talking about today. Instead of juggling, a dozen different contacts for cleaning, repairs, and upkeep, you have one expert team that's responsible for the whole shebang. Their goal isn't just to fix what's broken, it's to create this seamless environment where your business can just thrive without all those constant interruptions.
Okay, all-in-one sounds pretty great, but what are we actually talking about here? What kind of services are included? Let's break it down into two main categories, and we'll start with the one you see every day.
So, let's kick things off with the most visible part of facility management: the look, the feel, and the health of your workspace. This is all about perception. It's the very first impression a new client gets, and maybe even more important, it's the environment your own team has to work in and day out. A clean, professional space just screams competence. And the key here is that this goes way beyond just a quick vacuum at the end of the day. We're talking about janitorial plans that are totally customized to what you actually need. We're talking expert care to protect your floors, eco-friendly green cleaning for a healthier space, and really efficient waste management. It's a complete, holistic approach to being clean. And you can really see the impact in testimonials just like this one. Listen to the words he uses: pristine and efficient. See? It's not just about being tidy. It's about turning the workspace into a real asset that actually helps the business run better. But a great facility is about so much more than just what you can see. So now let's pull back the curtain and look at that second core category: everything that happens behind the scenes to keep your building safe, functional, and running like clockwork. And this slide, it just lays it out perfectly. You've got two sides of the same coin. On one side, you have proactive maintenance. That's the routine stuff that prevents disasters before they happen and saves you money on energy. Then on the other side, you have reactive repairs. That's the fast, expert response you need when something inevitably breaks. A real partner has to master both. But look, all these services are only as good as the team that's actually doing them. So how does a company go from being just another provider to being a true partner? Well, it all comes down to two things: customization and reliability. And that trust, it is everything. A quote like this really gets to the heart of it, that crucial human element. When you hand over the keys to your facility, you need more than just somebody who knows how to fix things. You need professionalism, and most of all, reliability. You've got to know that team is as invested in your success as you are. So you might be thinking, okay, but is this just some cookie-cutter solution? I mean, every business is different, right? A medical clinic has totally different needs than a tech startup or a retail store. So can one model really work for everybody? And the answer is a hard no. In fact, the whole model completely falls apart if it's one size fits all. The secret sauce is customization. A real partner doesn't just sell you a preset package. They take the time to learn your business and then build a service plan that's tailored specifically to your needs, your industry, and your schedule. And what about this one? This is a huge concern for any business owner. Problems don't care about business hours. A pipe can burst at 2 in the morning. Your AC can die on the hottest Saturday of the year. What are you supposed to do then?
The answer has to be this. It's totally non-negotiable for a comprehensive partner. 24/7 availability means more than just having an answering service. It means having an expert team on standby, ready to jump into action and handle emergencies quickly and effectively no matter when they happen. It's the ultimate safety net for your entire operation.
So let's pull all of this together. When you combine all these different services, the cleaning, the maintenance, the repairs, and you wrap it all up with a reliable, customized approach, the result is so much more than just a well-maintained building. What happens is you get this fundamental shift in your mindset. You move from a state of constantly putting out fires, just reacting to problems as they pop up, to a proactive stance. You start actually managing your facility as a strategic asset, and that leads to the real goal: truly optimized business operations. And this right here, this is the real payoff. It's not just a cleaner floor. It's optimized performance for your whole building. It's not just a fixed pipe. It's better safety and hygiene for everyone. It's less downtime, more efficient staff, and honestly, maybe the most valuable thing of all, actual peace of mind for you and your management team. This final quote just sums it all up perfectly. It's not about the individual tasks. It's about using the facility to make the entire business run smoother and more efficient. And that is the true promise of this whole approach. So we'll leave you with this question to chew on. How much of your team's time and energy is spent just reacting to facility issues instead of actually pushing the business forward? Now imagine if all those distractions just disappeared. What could you and your team really accomplish? Thanks for joining us for this explainer.